Hello everyone, thanks for joining. In today's video, I will show you how to allow websites to access your camera in Yandex browser. This simple setting is essential for video calls, online meetings, and other web services that require camera access. Let's get started and follow the steps carefully. First, open the Yandex browser on your device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the browser. Then, select Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, tap on Websites on the left side of the screen. Now scroll down and tap Advanced Site Settings at the bottom. Following this, scroll down until you find the option labeled Access Your Camera. Finally, choose Ask Permission to ensure websites ask before using your camera. That's all for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you can control which sites access your camera safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.